Assalamu alaikum. How are you guys? I welcome all of you here in today's video tutorial, and I'm again here with the new lesson, new topic, that is weight. And we are going to study this topic from Cambridge Primary Mathematics, and we'll start with this what is weight, and we'll see some examples, how we can measure it, what units are used to measure the weight. So let's start. So which objects are heavy? Here we have a picture, and you can find a picture on your screen. There are different objects in a picture: milk, chicken, tomato, watermelon, orange, banana, sugar, pack of potatoes, and biscuit. Can you tell me which objects are heavy? Is it tomato? No, tomato is not one of the heavy object in this picture. So watermelon? Yes, watermelon is one of the heavy object in this picture. Even chicken is one of the heavy object in this picture. And you can also say potatoes is also one of the heavy object. And orange, tomato, and banana seems the lightest weight in all the picture, right? Next, now move to the next slide. Same picture. So if I compare these objects with each other, and if I look at the watermelon and orange, so I can easily say that watermelon is heavier than orange, because it looks, when I look at the picture, so it is big in size, so I can easily recognize that watermelon is heavier than orange. Same if I compare sugar and banana, so I can easily say that sugar is having a good weight, it's good in size, but when I look at banana, it's a small, so it must be heavier than banana. So now sugar is also heavier than banana. If I check chicken with the tomato, so chicken look like big in size, and tomato is a small one. So here you can also say that chicken is heavier than tomato. But what if I ask you which is heavier than orange or tomato? So it will be very difficult to decide which object is heavy among these two objects, because it look like same when we look at the picture. So here we use the concept of weight. What is weight? Weight tells you how much an object is heavy or how much an object is light. Like in this picture, as we say that watermelon is heavier than orange. So you can say in other words also that watermelon has more weight than orange. That is why watermelon is heavier than orange. Or you can say sugar has more weight than banana. That's the reason that sugar looks heavier than banana. Or you can say chicken has more weight than tomato. That is why we are saying chicken is heavier than tomato. Or you can change your words also. You can instead of saying watermelon has more weight than orange, you can also say orange has less weight than watermelon. Same for banana has less weight than sugar, or tomato has less weight than chicken. Move to the next slide. So we came to know that weight is a measurable quantity and we can measure it. When any object any quantity we can measure, that must have a unit. Like length, we measure length in centimeter, meter, millimeter, and kilometer. In the same way, there must be units for weight or mass. So what are the units of weight and mass? We use for weight gram, kilogram, or ton. For light objects we normally use gram, for normal objects we use kilogram, or for heavy objects, very heavy objects, we use ton. So what are the units of weight? We have gram, kilogram commonly, and ton. So gram is commonly used for light objects, as we saw in the picture. That was banana, tomato, one banana, one tomato, and one orange, right? And where do we use kilogram? Kilogram is commonly used for normal objects, and we can use kilogram for watermelon in the picture, chicken in the picture, or pack of potato, or you can normally use kilogram for sugar, flour, rice. So many examples are there where you use kilogram. And what is the third one? Third one is ton. So you use ton for very heavy objects, you can use it for car, for train, for aircraft. So these are the different units of weight, right? And how can you write kilogram? You can write kilogram as kg, and you can write gram as g or gm. So we always write in maths kilogram as kg and gram as g or gm. So you must remember these points. And this is about the conversion, that how many parts of grams are there in 1 kilogram. So there are 1000 parts of gram in 1 kilogram. This means 1 kilogram is having 1000 gram in it. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Now there's here we have an example, and there are two objects. One of them is A and other one is B, and your weight is written inside it. Object A is having weight of 2 kg and object B is having weight of 3 kg. So can you tell me the total weight of these two objects? It is very simple and easy. What you have to do, you just have to add these two weights, as the weight of object A is equals to 2 kg and the weight of object B is equals to 3 kg. So you will plus 2 and 3. So 2 plus 3 equals to 5. Now you can say that the total weight of A and B is 5 kg. And if I change the values here, and if I make it instead of 2 I make it 4, and instead of 3 I make it 5, and I ask you again the same question, that tell me the total weight, so you will again add it. 4 plus 5, it will be 9. So you will say the total weight of the object when the object A is 4 and object B is 5, so their total weight will be 9 kg. I hope you understand it. This is another example. Here we have again two objects, but instead of a whole number we have a fractional number here. The object A is having half kg weight, 1/2, and object B is also having half kg weight, 1/2. We recently studied fraction, and you know that how to add fraction also. So we have to find the total weight again here. What is the total weight of the object A and B? For that you will do addition, and half plus half will make 1. So the answer will be the total weight of mass A and B will be 1 kg, and instead of a half, if there is written 1/4 or 1/4 in both circles, 1/4 plus 1/4, and there are 4 objects, let's suppose A, B, C and D, and every object is having 1/4 kg. So when you add all of them, so you will also get 1. And this is going to the end of our video. I hope you understand all the concepts of weight, and inshallah I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, take care. Thank you so much and have a nice day.